Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can access your Metamask wallet from Trust Wallet. So for that case, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go and open up or log into your Trust Wallet account. Then you need to go and get your secret fees from the Metamask. So first of all, you need to go and get the secret fees from your Metamask. So for that, go ahead and log into your Metamask account and tap the tab bar icon from the top right. On the other field, go to security and privacy, and next you need to go to reveal secret fees or recover secret fees options. As you've done that, you need to go ahead and follow the instructions to get your secret recovery fees and then copy it into your clipboard. After that, you need to go ahead and log into your Trust Wallet account or open up. Then go ahead and click on add existing wallet when presented. As you have done that, you need to go ahead and select secret fees. Now you have to go ahead and select the network. So click on multi-coin. As you've selected multi-coin, on the other field, you need to go ahead and paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied and click on restore wallet. As you have done that, you'll be able to add the existing wallet or the MetaMask wallet into your Trust Wallet, and that is how you can go ahead and access. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.